And welcome back. Easter is just a week away, and many of you will be hosting Easter brunches to celebrate, but there is a way to do it gluten-free. Joining me now is Jen Kaminsky with JVCom Chronicles, and you're making a gluten-free quiche for us today. Tell me, what makes it gluten-free?
Well, the gluten-free is going to be the crust today, and that's usually the hardest part of a quiche, so it's great that products like from Wholly Wholesome make it for you. So the crust is already gluten-free, and all you have to do is bake it.
Okay, well, let's walk me through how to make this quiche. What do we have to do first?
There's two parts to a quiche. There's going to be the filling, and then there's going to be the custard part. Okay. So the filling can really be whatever you want. Today we're going to do the quiche Lorraine, which is usually what most people are familiar with, and it's going to be the bacon, the onion, and the Gruyere cheese.
Okay, so what do you do first?
So you're just going to do about half a cup of cheese in the bottom, and then your bacon
At the bottom, okay.
onion, and then more cheese, because everybody loves cheese.
Of course, yes, I do love cheese.
So that's the filling.
Okay, and then what?
For the custard, it is going to be cream, milk, eggs, and salt.
Okay, and then just can you talk about gluten and why so many people can't really eat it these days?
Yeah, it is a substance that you're going to find in a grain. So most wheat is what people know. That's going to have the gluten in it. And what it does, it just kind of upsets your stomach, just a general unwellness feeling. And so people that need to stay away from gluten, there's so many options now out there.
And it's so much easier now, like a lot of companies are now making gluten-free products. How easy is it to find it these days?
Oh, it's super easy. Like you can find the Wholly Wholesome products at Kroger. You just look in the natural section and there's all kinds of cookies, cakes, pizza crust, all different kinds of things.
Okay, well, real quick, so you beat up the eggs and you beat up everything in the bowl.
Right, you want it to be frothy. So just a couple minutes of mixing, and then that's really it for the custard.
And then you pour it in.
Right.
And how long do you bake it?
You just bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. You want it so that the edges are set, but the middle's still going to be a little jiggly.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for this recipe. I know a lot of people are looking for some Easter ideas and Easter brunch ideas, and I really appreciate you filling us in on how to make it gluten-free. We'll be right back.